As measles cases climb nationwide, health officials are reporting a second death possibly tied to the virus, this time in New Mexico. An unvaccinated adult tested positive for measles after they died, according to the New Mexico Department of Health. Although the official cause of death is still under investigation. At least 10 cases have been reported in New Mexico so far, which borders the epicenter of the measles outbreak in West Texas.
Measles is highly contagious. It's probably the most contagious virus that we know of.
Measles cases there have soared to at least 159 since the end of January, with 22 patients hospitalized. Last week, an unvaccinated school-aged child in Texas became the first measles death in the U.S. in a decade. There are now nearly 190 measles cases identified in a dozen states. In New York City, the health department investigating 2 unrelated cases.
It is concerning. It's communicable.
And earlier this week, a Miami high school student tested positive for measles, according to district officials.
We're taking every step possible.
The CDC says 2 doses of the MMR vaccine are 97% effective, as local leaders urge Americans to get their vaccines.
Measles is preventable, and people die from it, and they don't have to.
Measles vaccination rates have actually fallen off in recent years, according to several estimates, dropping from 95% in 2020 to less than 93% last school year. It's considered one of the world's most contagious diseases, spread by coughing, talking, and sneezing. Guys, the CDC now on the ground of that outbreak in Texas.
I just want to say, I know I sound terrible today, but it's not measles.
Thank you for clarifying.
Thanks for clearing that up.
Yeah, thank you, Emily.
Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.